Zebra ZP230 Thermal Printer Review. Compact, reliable labeling made easy. Ever felt like your shipping or labeling workflow is constantly slowing you down? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. Whether it's packing hundreds of orders or keeping your retail inventory organized, struggling with unreliable printers can be frustrating. But what if a compact, affordable printer could streamline your workflow, produce crisp labels, and save you time without the headaches? Deadlines, high-volume orders, and small workspaces can make labeling feel stressful. Imagine a printer that handles both direct thermal and thermal transfer labels, prints with 203 per inch sharpness, and connects seamlessly via USB without taking up half your desk. A tool that lets you focus on your business instead of troubleshooting jams or unclear prints could completely change your day. Meet the Zebra ZP230 Direct Thermal Printer, designed for small to medium businesses needing efficiency, reliability, and quality. Its compact desktop design fits neatly in tight spaces, yet it delivers fast prints at up to 20 pages per minute with crisp, smudge-proof 203 per inch labels. Mini story, one boutique owner said, "I was able to label hundreds of products in minutes, and every barcode scanned perfectly. With direct thermal technology, you don't need ink or toner, just heat-sensitive labels for clear, durable output. It supports widths up to 4.25 inches and works seamlessly with UPS WorldShip, FedEx Ship Manager, and ZebraDesigner. The included Jetset software simplifies label creation, while a one-button calibration ensures media loads quickly and correctly." Bonus tip: pairing this printer with thermal transfer ribbons lets you print highly durable labels for products stored long-term. Reliable, affordable, and versatile, the ZP230 is ideal for retail, healthcare, shipping, and office environments where consistent quality and speed are essential. The Zebra ZP230 transforms labeling and shipping from a tedious task into a smooth, efficient process. Industry experts praise its reliability, versatility, and compact footprint, while logistics influencers call it perfect for small shipping stations or boutique operations. Users rave, "We print patient wristbands daily, and the quality is always perfect. No smudges, no errors." Its ability to handle both direct thermal and thermal transfer media gives flexibility for temporary shipping labels or long-lasting product tags. The USB connectivity ensures seamless integration with major operating systems and shipping platforms, while the LCD display makes setup and troubleshooting simple. Durable and built to last, it keeps printing consistently in high-volume environments without frequent maintenance. Mini story, a small business owner said, "After switching to the ZP230, my shipping process is twice as fast, and I never worry about misprinted barcodes again." Which feature would improve your workflow most? Speed, durability, or compatibility? Comment below. With reliable prints, affordable pricing, and Zebra's trusted brand, this printer is a proven asset for anyone needing crisp, readable labels. Don't wait. Upgrade your labeling workflow with the Zebra ZP230 Direct Thermal Printer and experience reliable, high-quality prints every time. Join countless small businesses and healthcare offices already benefiting from fast, smudge-proof labeling. Limited stock makes this compact, versatile printer a must-have for efficiency and professionalism. Bonus: click now to unlock tips for pairing with thermal transfer ribbons for extra durable labels. Stop struggling with outdated printers. Jump in and transform your shipping and labeling workflow today.